God, peel me back, that which I've known me to be, until I reach raw honesty and authenticity with you, connected and intimate. Help me unravel these decades of sound bites of existence until I know and connect once again with you as my source. You're the one who planted the spirit in the womb with intention and purpose for good. Help me develop the capacity and wisdom to hear and yield only to your direction. Uncover as only you can do with detailed thoroughness all that is in me, not matching and reflecting your way. Help me to detect early the familiar fear that arises when I forget you are here with me. Derail the whirlwind of thoughts, hijacking my knowing and growing back to you. Peel me back, O God. Remind me and help me once again to avoid settling for the smooth deception and self-serving agendas all around. Help me to walk daily in the power and truth of your word of love. Peel me back to your original intention. Make the way as I walk through this day unconcealed. Whisper words wise and true as I run after you. Yes, peel me back to reveal your love walking.